Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a velocity video edit on CapCut PC. Select your video and you're just going to copy and paste that. Actually, no, you're just going to right click and then select extract audio. Then on the audio you're going to select auto beats 2, and then when he starts kind of like dancing, maybe like here, you're going to split it, and then you're going to go to speed normal. Go to 0.5x speed, add in smooth slow-mo, and select optical flow as well. Once you're done processing, you're just going to right click on the clip and you're going to select create compound clip. Like so. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go and skip a beat. Like you're going to go to the third beat, split it, select the video, speed, curve, flash in, and you're going to keep on doing that for all of your clips until you're kind of like done with it. So I'm just going to quickly do that. So like every third beat, you're going to add in a flash in speed. Oops. Like so. And then here as well. And once you're done with everything, you can add in like flashes, like white flashes. And the easy way to do it is, wait, hold on. Let me just do it for all the clips first. It is a very tedious process. I do hope that they'll add in the auto velocity on the CapCut PC app, because they only have it on mobile, and like I don't know why it's like different, you know, from mobile and the CapCut PC app. I hope they fix that soon. I'm trying to do this really quick, but it's very hard to do, apparently. Okay, we're almost done. I don't think I'm going to do it till the end because it does take a long time to do. Well, like I'm trying my best. And you know, some of the video will be cut at the end, so just keep that in mind. I can't really make it perfect, but see, like you'll have like some that you can't really add in the audio to, but like I guess he's not really dancing anymore, so it's fine. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to go to library and you're going to select the white stock video here, and to add in like a flash, let me just put it like that. You're just going to enlarge it, blend mode, overlay, and then you're going to go to animation and you're going to add in a fade out to like throughout the whole entire clip. Oops, my god, that scared me. If that's too like long, just make it super short and like add it here. And you're just going to copy and paste that throughout all of the clips like so. You don't have to, but you can if you want. Okay, that's it. But that should be it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!